Thank you! I am 26! Welcome to Mumu! Oh my God.
26, yeah, tama.
Wala pa yung
Birthday
ulo.
ko po pa siya.
Mukbang! Eto po, kain po kayo!
Isabel, ako sa...
Macdo!
Saan na? Punta yun.
Sorry.
Nanonood ba ako ng mga vlog niyo? Happy birthday, Kim Poy. Pag-greet din ako. What's up?
I love you too. I love you so much. Mwah.
Na all Valentino. Oy, sabi. Hi, Insan from Malaysia.
Malaysia!
What's up?
Hi, Malaysia! Curry laksa is my
You
favorite.
are the pambansang Insan daw.
Lahat kayo mga insan ko! Thank you,
You're so hyper daw. Insan, ang ganda mo, pambansang Insan. You're like, Jollibee po tayo.
Oo nga. Like, pero walang Jollibee.
Yeah, there's no Jollibee.
Yeah, I love Jollibee. I love Yum Burger. Woo! Burger steak is my
Lahat
favorite.
ng energy.
Gloves lang.
Sure, thank you so much, guys.
Masakit na naman panga niya. Hello! Get well to your panga! Mwah!
Oh my gosh. Ang bilis really.
Insan, can you just pause it so we can
Dali.
say hi to everyone? Felicia, hello Insan!
Yan, pause it. Guys, mag-ask kayo ng mga questions kay Christine, and then
Saan kaya yun?
i-hot seat natin, i-hot seat. Ren Aledje, love you, Insa. What do you want to do? Oh, host. Thanks, Ninang Juana.
Hello,
Shout out
Wayne!
from Hong Kong.
Hi, Robert Mark!
Ay, alam ko na.
Thanks, Ninang. Love you, Ninang.
Hello, Kate Lindsay
Oh my
and
gosh,
Nicole!
150.
Yes, welcome to the newcomers! Hello!
Thanks so much,
Magandang
guys.
gabi po!
Insan, Merry Christmas.
Mas maganda ang walang makeup. Thank you so much!
Oh, someone's asking.
Nandito.
Ano?
Bakit wala ka pang boyfriend? Ang ganda mo.
Nandito.
Ano po?
Pinaglalagay ko dito.
Hot seat Insan!
Hot seat?
Ano, like, I just wanna, I'm enjoying my life. Ganoon.
Yeah,
Enjoying
single
single life.
Ano
Eh,
po,
nandito
what's
naman.
your work?
I'm in real estate. Real estate.
Yes, mayaman guys, mayaman. How long have you been single daw? Thank you, user
Maybe a
218.
year.
Nakalimutan
One
ko.
year.
Oh my gosh.
Dito, kasi
Thank
di
you
ko
for the
nilagay
Metro
dito
Mansion.
kasi-
Oh my God. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Thank you.
Mwah, mwah,
Hindi,
mwah.
kunin ko ulit. Pag nagpunta ka dito, ko.
Mayaman ka daw sabi.
Hindi ako may
Baklasin ko ulit.
Paano po mag-move on? Oh!
Paano mo mag-move on? Think about yourself. Okay? Think about the positive. Don't worry about the negative. Think about what's ahead and not what's behind. Ganon.
Quote ka na naman yan. How long have you been staying in Australia daw? Yan!
Ano, pinanganak po ako dito. Pinalaki po.
Full life.
Like I was born and raised here po in
Magaling lang
Australia.
talaga siya mag-Tagalog, guys, but I don't know how you learn how to speak Tagalog.
Yeah, hindi ko po alam.
Sobrang galing, guys, as in.
Hello, Kimberly. Tagalog only challenge. Thank you.
Fluent sa Tagalog. Yes!
Kathleen K.
Parang
kayo
lang tayo magkapatid.
Ay,
Wow, galing ng Tagalog niya. Sabi. What's your favorite color?
my favorite color is yellow.
Really?
It's a happy color. Yeah, it's bright. It makes me happy. Wakes me up.
When was the last time you visited the Philippines?
Maybe ano na, like 4 years ago. Ay, hindi, mga 5 years ago.
No way!
Oo, matagal na. Matagal na.
Really? 2015?
Siyempre,
Gulo.
Parehas
Happy
po
tayo.
ba
Hello.
Filipino ang parents mo? Yes!
Yes. Hello.
Ninong and Ninang.
dapat
Pinoy.
dito na siya ginagamit.
Pareho.
Still in Melbourne. Kailangan ka mag-aasawa insan. Ay! When the right one comes, mag-aasawa na po ako.
Paano pag dumating soon? Soon?
Di mag-aasawa na soon. You know, I think we just know when the right one comes. Di kahagunay po kami.
What
dalawa.
gift do you want to receive this Christmas? Ay, bibigyan kaya sa...
I want to receive, love life char. What?
Ano po ang type niyo for a guy?
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Wow!
Same name pala tayo, Insan Christine. Hello, Insan, mga Insan. Hello.
Okay, let's
Pa-shoutout daw si ate, tayo mo, like, go back. Hi, Junie.
Betty, mabait o pogi? mabait na pogi.
Bonus!
Oh, no.
Bonus! Insan, kumanta ka pa nga, pangarap ko ay... Kumanta daw ako!
1,100 viewers.
Hi, Kristen. Ate Isa! Ate Isa! She's my cousin!
Really?
Oo! Ate Isa! Hi, Ate Isa! Love
That's
you!
your cousin, not my cousin.
Not your cousin. Akin lang. Akin lang siya. Gago. From Haguna. Ay, sorry. Sorry na.
Na-carried away lang, guys. Na-carried away.
Vlog. Kanta tayo, Insan.
Okay. When we reach 200.
Hi, Kathleen.
When we reach 200, you're gonna sing?
Oo. When we reach 200, we're gonna sing a
Well,
song.
what are you gonna sing? Saan? Like legit, like full song, ganun?
Oo, full song. Or maybe half na lang. Half song, 200. Let's do it, people!
16, oh, konti na lang.
Konti na lang kakanta na po si Insan. Gusto niyo po yan. Yan.
Hey, what's up? Shout out. Oy, thank you so much. User
Thank you,
63.
Felicia. Hello, Felicia. Yes, I'll vlog maybe soon.
Insan, sana all lakas ng energy. Ilang taon na po kayo, Insan? Julian Castro, thank you so much.
26. Hello, Chelsea. I will vlog with Insan again.
Guys, comment din kayo lang. Do you have, ano daw, ano daw yung vitamins?
Ano yung mga vitamins ko? I take fish oil, I take vitamin D, at saka zinc. I take vitamin,
Red Bull.
no, primrose oil. Maganda yan sa skin. At saka, konting collagen. Ganun.
Wow, grabe. Yun yung nagpapa-energy sa'yo.
Would you like to have Australian or Pinoy boyfriend? Parang nag-learn na po ako at saka like I've experienced Australian. So Pinoy na lang. So yung mga single dyan! Joke. Ay, sorry. Painam Insan. As in,
So,
naiinitan
are you
ko.
thirsty?
Macho or chubby? Kahit
Hey,
ano.
what's up, Jeff Pointers?
Hello, Joey Ann. Hi, Joey Ann.
Hope you're macho or chubby. Guys, when we reach 200, kakanta daw si, si Christine.
When we reach
You see
200,
here,
okay. Magka-countdown po tayo until 200 and kakanta po ako for you
What are you gonna
guys.
sing?
Ano? A Christmas song.
Really?
Oo.
Full song.
Oo, Oh Holy Night.
Here.
163.
Ano pang
Let's
favorite
do it.
spot? Nakakawala ka daw ng antok sa akin.
Gising na po tayong lahat. Gising na po kayo. Malapit na po tayo sa 200 mga people.
You're so... Insan.
Bakit?
Nagtural. Di ako mo.
No! Why?
What experience?
Ah, ganun? Susan Fox in my blood, ano?
Joanna, yeah.
Thank you, Nanay Joanna, for the Metro Man shoes.
Mrs. Wade, what's up, Mrs. Wade? Favorite Pinoy food?
Felicia. Hi, Felicia.
No
Again.
filters, it's,
Kimberly. Hi, Kimberly.
Do you live with your family now?
No, I live alone. I live by myself. Independent woman. We all need to be independent girls.
Yes. Whoa! Mrs.
Thank you.
Wade, thank you so much.
What does
We're
that mean?
almost there.
We're almost
That's a
at
gift.
200,000.
That's how much yun, guys? Magkano yun?
Kakanta na
Is
ako.
it like 5K? Is it 5K, guys?
Salamat po sa Metro Man.
5K, that's 5K.
Thank
that
you.
gift.
Mwah. Do it daw tayo, A Whole New World. Ay, pag mag-reach tayo ng 200 po, kakanta po kami ng A
No,
Whole
you're
New
gonna
World.
sing Christmas song ng 200.
Ay, oo. Sige, sige.
Duet ng 300.
Magkamukha kayo ni Mayor. Ah, syempre po, pinsan ko po kami.
Yeah.
Noon.
Watching from CD.
Paano kayo naging pinsan?
Like our...
Ano, gumising
mom
lang
and
po
mom.
kami, tapos na.
Mami niya and my mom. Ayan na si Mayor. Shoutout sa Surigao City. Sana po may next vlog.
Super Happy Man. Hello, Super Happy Man. Princess.
Gio, shoutout watching from CD.
How are you, Daphne?
Watching from Canada.
Hello, Julian and Sky Morales.
Minsan parang ayaw nila ito.
Parang ayaw niyo akong kumanta, no? Parang ayaw niyo. Eh di wag na lang. 200 ako kakanta.
Hoy, ayun na. Ang bilis na. Oh, boom!
Oh, di ba? Sige, sige, sige. Kakanta na po ako.
Woohoo!
Kakanta po ako ng Oh Holy Night. Oh, gusto niyo yan?
Have you experienced really?
Oo. What?
Oh! Ninang 100 Christmas in the Philippines.
Oh yes, I have experience.
Guys.
Me and
Every Christmas, you always go home, di ba? Almost.
yeah. So we always have Christmas together.
Totoo na,
Hello, honey.
totoo daw ba na nung nag-vlog lang tayo mo nalaman na
Ka na.
mag-ano tayo, like,
Oh,
brothers
yes,
and
that's
sisters?
true po. I always knew that we were cousins pero hindi ko brother and sister. Kala ko lang po nakikininang lang po siya. I swear! Kasi I have like mga tita na nakikininang ako. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Parang si kuya nakikininang niya sa mga ninang ko. Ganon!
Sa dami ng mga nag-questions, hindi na mabasa yung
Q&A.
Yeah.
Q&A tayo. Ask me questions, people. Malapit na po akong kumanta. 200 po akong kakanta. Oh, holy night.
Oh, guys, 192. 8 na lang, guys. 8.
Let's do it! Mag-warm up na po ako.
What's your dream place na gusto mo daw punta?
Bahamas!
No,
Ay,
in the
Paris!
Philippines. In
Ay,
the Philippines.
in the Philippines, ano po? Palawan.
Have you been?
No, I've never been Palawan. I really
You
want
have
to go
been to
there.
Boracay, di ba?
Opo,
Guys,
yes.
do you want a story
Ano?
about the Boracay trip?
Go, tell them. I don't care. What happened?
When you invited me,
Ay, oo, go.
ikaw you tell them.
Hindi ako marunong magkwento. Ikaw na.
Guys, bata pa kami nito. Yung family nila, pupunta sa Boracay, tapos in-invite niya ako.
Pagkatapos ng debut ko, di ba?
Invite lang, guys. Tapos di naman niya ako pinila ng ticket. So,
Pero bumawi naman po ako sa
guys,
Sydney.
Umasa ako na sasama ako sa Boracay.
Your dimple makes you beautiful. Thank
Wala
you.
pala akong ticket.
Hi po sa dimpo.
Ayun,
Where is your
sasama niya ako sa Boracay pero nung ano na.
Childhood memories
aalis
together.
na, walang
Childhood
ticket.
memories together.
Childhood memories?
Ano?
Isa yung mga inuman natin sa...
Ay, oh!
sa Mendap.
Kasi pag
Watching bro! Kano
Sign up for a vlog or something.
Yeah,
That's
like
funny.
kwentuhan, gano'n.
Guys, malapit na po akong kumanta!
Oh my God, thank you so much, Mrs. Wade!
Hello, Princess hello, Red Rose. Pareha tayong dimpo. Yes! Yung binibini na, kwento ka, Insan. Ganda mo, Insan. Thank you!
Hyper mo, Insta.
Sing along na.
Okay, it's 200.
200 na, kakanta na po ako. Oh, holy night. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Guys, hindi ko in-expect nakakanta siya.
Eh, bakit?
Na ano?
Loyal ang mga Insan. Woo!
Hey, what's up, Jello? Si Jello.
Hi, Jello. Ano ba? I have to put a backing track
Do
on.
you know like any OPM songs?
hindi ako
Eh, oh, holy night daw.
Na Christmas.
Eh, oh,
Alam
holy
mo ba kayo
night.
bukas? Hey, what's up, Jello? Can you say... Ano daw?
What can you say to Anghet Insan? Anghet, I can't wait to meet you. Ito na lang. Oh, holy night.
Okay, sige.
parang
You're prettier than Kim Poy Vlog. Ay,
Ano daw?
salamat! I'm prettier than in your vlog. Maybe hindi na ako magme-makeup, ano? Parang pak na.
Ilan taon ka na po? 26, guys.
26.
Please.
Love you,
Okay, go, sing.
currently.
Sing na.
yung brain
Okay, sige.
I want my ads.
Ako na lang kaya, magpa-deliver na lang ako.
Pwede po po shout out. Thanks
Teka muna, kakanta muna.
Okay, go. Ito natin. Ako mag-awa.
Ay, galing.
Hinalingan?
Christmas home. Oh, night divine. Oh, night divine. Yes, hello mga newcomers.
Kaya mo na mag-kumo.
His love, one another. His love is love, and His gospel is peace.
Kasi sana
Ganon.
ng gabi sa adik sa iyo.
Change He shall. Teka muna, di ko na. Teka muna.
Kaya mo yan minsan.
Teka muna. Shall cease. Sweet hymns of joy. In grateful chorus raise we, let all within us praise His holiest name. Christ is the Lord. Open. Oh, praise His name forever. His power and
Tapos mo na. Kaya ako.
Katawaan lang po. Wag po is-serious.
Tapos na?
Eh, oo.
Ay, ganon?
Ano ba kaya ba gusto mo?
Okay, play mo natin si James Reid.
O, sige.
Ayun guys, nagustuhan niyo ba yun? Hey, what's up Road Zone? Thank you so much Power.
215, kakanta kami ni Insan.
Ang baba naman.
Jewel. 220.
Hindi mababa yun. Kaya pa yung 3, ganon.
Oh, 300.
Guys, hindi pa sanay magkumo. Hindi pa sanay magkumo.
300, guys. Jujuit po kami.
What are we gonna do it?
A whole new world.
Insan, mataas yan.
Hindi mataas yan, Insan. Kaya natin yan.
Ano daw sabi? Turuan mo muna mambudol.
What's budol?
Budol is like when you ask them to give gifts and then...
Bigay na kayo ng mga halo-halo. Thank
No,
you.
halo-halo. You don't like halo-halo. Guys, magkano yung halo-halo?
Ewan ko ba? Naguguluhan ako din.
25. That more, Insan.
Yung Metro Shoot Man. Yes. Bigay na bigay. Magbigay na kayo. Metro Shoot. Thank you, Cheryl Manzano.
Sobrang
for the
aliw daw.
halo-halo.
Sobrang aliw.
Jewit na tayo. 300. 300. Magjujuwit po kami ni Insan. Oh,
Shout out
you
naman.
Ganoon. Teaser.
Hindi ko pa nakanta yung awal nyo.
Insan kaya mo.
Oh my gosh, ang bilis. Ibukadar na daw, gano'n.
What does that mean?
I don't know, you ask them. What it looks like.
Ibogadarna. Hi, Christina.
Hey, what's up, Reckless Hiker Chico Ye? What's
Thank
up?
you, Mon. Sasha.
Road to 300.
Reckless.
Oh my
Reckless
gosh.
shirt. Metroman shirt. Yeah, 300. Kakanta po ka namin ni Insan na A Whole New World.
Yeah.
Gusto niyo yan. Yes.
Chico Ye, what's up?
Hello.
Masakit mata mo.
Naka-glasses ako.
Okay.
Ikaw.
No. Oh, Yamashita, ganon yung mga gifts daw na hihingin mo Insan.
Peng Yamashita.
Yamashita, Ibong Adarna,
Peng Yamashita and Iba Adarna.
Chocolate Hills.
Chocolate Hills. Give it to me. Give it to mommy.
Harana. Ask them what it looks like.
What is Harana?
Guys, show nyo naman kay Christine, Harana.
Pakita niyo sa akin yung mga gifts. Di ko po alam yan.
Ayan. Wow.
Galing. Ganun pala yung Harana.
Wala pa. Wala pa. Hey, what's up? Tita
Hello.
Bella?
Hello,
Tita Bella.
Michelle. Hello.
Girl, oy, K-Fab, what's
Hello,
up?
Tony from Canada.
Ganyan nga. Ganyan nga ito, di ba?
Hello, pengi pong Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills. Napaka-importante po
Wow,
niyan.
galing.
Mga
Galing.
Chocolate Hills, yung mga Darna. What is it?
Galing mo daw mag-pick up. Malacanang, hindi kaya Malacanang.
Pengi pong Malacanang, wala po kami Malacanang.
Adarna, ganon.
Adarna! Adarna!
Ay,
Bigay na po kayo ng mga Adarna.
Parang wala Insan.
Hindi, meron niyan Adarna. Harana, yes, Harana. Thank you. Chuck Amazing, Joyce, and hello. Ay, ang amazing ko.
Parang wala. Tita Bella, baka meron.
Si Dimples, baka merong Harana diyan. Dimples. Kakanta kami.
Wala.
Ay, malapit na po tayo sa 300.
Parang wala ata Insan nagbigay.
Ay, parang sad insanan.
Nasad ka ba?
First time ko anong Harana.
So, walang, ay,
Ano ba gusto natin, insan? Ano?
Arana, Malacanang, ganon.
Pay Malacanang, sige na po. Para ma-experience ko naman po yung Harana. First time ko po dito.
Isa, I'm gonna make you a kumu right after we do this.
Pengi pong Harana.
Ayun!
Ayun! Thank you so much for the yes, for the
Harana.
Harana.
That's what it looks like.
Oh, okay.
The
Thank you so much for the Harana. Send ulit kayo and I will shout out your name. Yes.
Insan, ba't parang ang galing mo magkumu?
Insan, pag nagharana yan, shout out ko yan 10 times. Thank you, Race, for the Betraman. Shoot, galing mo.
Marunong na daw.
Am I good?
You're so good, Insan. I can't even ask them to say it like that.
Ganon.
Oo.
Kasi first
Ikaw
time
yung
ko to,
talaga.
mga ano dyan, kayo pong harana. Ihaharana ko po kayo.
It's in the blood daw yung pambubudol. Sabi.
Hindi, for ano lang to, like, you know,
Yeah, fun.
for fun.
Oh.
Chocolate Hills next! Pink Chocolate Hills! Buhol Chocolate Hills!
Ay, parang wala. Guys,
Nasaan
pakita niyo naman kung Christine.
Insan nasaan ako ng Chocolate Hills? Alang harana.
Meron niya magsisend. Meron.
Parang iyak na ako.
Hindi, Insan, no, kumiyak. Meron yan.
Where?
Meron. Tinan mo. Antayin lang
GSM
natin.
Blue, what's that?
Meron dyan. Eh, what's up?
Parang
Road
alam,
Zone. Dito
harana.
nakita yung harana niya. Eh, what's up, Road Zone? Ay.
Ay, thank you, Miss Philippines!
Pero hindi Chocolate Hills, Insan.
Parang mas gusto ko yung harana. What's your full name? Christina Stagiario, yeah.
Insan, wala.
Once we say, and I know you're shining.
Bawal pa kumanta.
Ay,
Wala.
bawal.
Hindi pa
Sorry.
na-
Alang harana, alang chocolate. Hindi ka kanta. Ganon. Ganon kami din eh.
Hulugan pala. Hulugan, Insan.
Sorry.
Eh, what's up, what's up?
Ilang kapatid nyo, Insan? One bro. Isang bro.
Para daw tayong video. Oo, di ba guys, sa video.
Ay!
Inuhulugan.
Thank you. Ay.
Welcome to
Parang,
Kumina.
parang harana. Di ko makita.
Wala, Insan, wala.
Parang ako mga insan ko kayo.
Insan, pwede ka daw jukebox. Oh guys, di ba sa jukebox sinuhulugan guys?
True. Inuhulugan. Kaya, tingin ng
Okay, Casey, someone knows you.
Where? Who?
Oh no, someone...
May hawig na kay Casey
Concepcion!
Concepcion.
Ako!
Mga insan. Yes, thank you. Peng Harana. Thank you so much. One sweet day. Nakita ko one sweet day pag may nakita kong Harana.
What's one seed day?
Mariah Carey.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, I never
Ay,
told.
hindi ka
Hindi gumagalaw yung mga...
Road Zone, Marky. What's up, Marky? Pa-follow back po kay Boy.
Road Zone, pengen mo namang, peng Harana.
Hindi daw nakita. Oh, you sound like Jessica Sanchez now.
Ay, salamat naman po. Sino nagsabi noon? Joy, penging Chocolate Hills.
Uy, thank you so much sa lechon.
Julian Castro, baka may mga Chocolate Hills or Harana ka dyan. Lechon, Metroman shoot. Ayun.
Guys, pakita niyo naman yung tawag.
I-video greeting ko kayo lahat.
Chocolate Hills, guys.
Pakita naman chocolate.
Di pa niya para mag-aaral na to, guys.
Guys, parang gusto kong makita ng Chocolate Hills. Wala. I can't see. Kulang po coins. Okay lang, maybe next time you can give us Chocolate Hills. Woo!
Oh, positive.
Tapos na campaign.
Huwag niyan.
Okay lang yan. Just stay around and I'm sure the
Oo
coins
nga,
will come.
guys. Pakita niyo naman.
Pa-shout out insan, Jadel. How about Jadel playing Chocolate Hills?
Oh, so thanks so much, Lourdes. Guys, road to 300 and we're gonna sing
A Whole New World.
a whole new world talaga.
Ano, kung gusto nyo, I start of something new, pwede din.
Shout out you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, Abby Julian. Baka may harana ka dyan.
Boy, how to gift daw. Guys, you can click the the gift
Hello
box.
po, Kuya Kimpoy.
Gift box dyan sa baba ng chat. And you can give gifts. Hello po, Kuya Kimpo. Hello po. Ganda
Thank
naman
you
ni
for the
how to gift, sabi.
Pero,
Ay, Tito Boy.
magandang umaga. No, what's that thing? Welcome to TWBA. Ganoon.
Ano yung sinasabi niya? Usap tayo. Yun.
Sex or chocolate, ganoon.
Pa-shoutout naman po from Saudi.
Assalamualaikum.
Ganda naman ni Insan. Pwede na.
Lights on or lights off? Half noon. May lights, tapos may... Walang lights.
Ay, gonna do, ano na? Q&A?
Q&A, guys. Ask me the questions and I will answer truthfully.
Ang galing mo naman.
Walang eme-eme. Kaya, bigyan nyo lang kami ng harana.
Dolor! Ninang Dolor! What's up, Ninang Dolor?
Hi, Ninang Dolor.
Ilang taon na si Insan?
26.
Mga kakapasok lang yan. Like, they have the same question.
Shout out to Cambodia. How are Cambodia? Cambodian harana, maybe.
Para daw, bata.
May jowa po ba si Insa? Wala nga eh.
Wala.
Yung mga single dyan, bigay na po kayo ng chocolate deals.
Insan, how many, boyfriends have you had?
Like real ones? Like,
May fake ones?
dalawa.
Dalawang fake ones?
No, 2 real ones.
How many fake ones?
Madami. Madami. Happy birthday, Ashley Salonga.
Okay guys, road to 3, kakanta kami. Road
Kakanta
to 3.
po kami.
Hey, what's up, Ninang Dolor? Thank you so much for the happy birthday, tatlo. Thank you so much. Jawed, Janina Sims, thank you so much. Grabe guys.
Thank you, Delay Bartolome.
Miss D, Mrs. D, Joy Saira, Fangirl Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Tipsy One.
Thank you, Ninang Dolor.
Magpa-birthday ka.
Ayun, happy birthday, sabi. Janie, thank you so much for the GSM Blue Mojito. User Joan, oh, that's 5. Yan.
User Joanne?
Yeah, that's
Thank
right.
you, User Joanne.
Was
Mwah.
that User Joan?
I don't know. User Joanne, maraming salamat.
Before Harana.
User Joanne, thank you so much, User Joanne.
Super thank you. Super thank you. Pa-shoutout, dinagod ko po ito. Oh! Ninang Dolor, thank you so much.
Mwah, Ninang Dolor. Thank you, Ninang. Mwah. Ninang, inaanak niyo po ako.
Perform. Pa-shoutout po Kim po and Insan.
Jerry K.
Kailan po ang birthday ko?
Birthday ko mo.
When's yours? June 24?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
Naalala.
siyempre. Shoutout po.
Christine, I miss you. Rima! That's Rima. Anak ni Ate Isa, I miss you.
Hey,
Mwah.
what's up? I'm really a Ninang. I'm from California. Ninang Dolor, thank you so much. Where is? Oh, diba? Shara, hi po ay Insan watching from Kuwait.
Hello! Ay, we're almost at 300 mga kaibigan!
Oh my God!
Mga kainsan!
Do you know any other song? Pwede do it.
You are the reason.
Do you know,
Hi, honey, Kylene, Miss Universe. Yes, thank you.
Dolor, thank you.
Thank you, Ninang.
Just 9 miles outside Chicago. Ano yung kanta na
Hindi
yun?
ko alam yun eh. Pinapainama mo ako palagi.
I don't know.
A Million Dreams Sing. Alam mo yung ano?
Someday we'll know.
Someday we'll know what's love can move the mountains.
Do you know that?
Yun lang. That's all I know, that line.
Ay, ganun.
Hindi ko alam. Dapat yung alam natin, insan.
Hindi ko naman, I know,
You know,
you have a,
ano na lang, High School Musical. Can I have this dance?
Oh, yeah. High School Musical.
Ay, oo.
Yung
Guys,
kinanta natin sa vlogs.
guys, malapit na kami mag-High School Musical karaoke.
Hey, what's up,
Send na kayo.
Wency? Thank you so much, Wency.
I rewrite the stars. Why don't we rewrite the
That's so high.
stars?
I
Okay,
don't
sige.
die. Belu, Oliver, thank you so much.
Hello, Nathaniel
Natanya,
Fernandez.
do you know
Hello.
BTS?
BTS. What's BTS? Behind the scenes?
Hindi,
Ah.
it's the Bangtan.
No, sorry.
BTS K-pop.
No, I don't know. Hi from Japan. Konnichiwa. I love High School
I love High
Musical.
School
Can I have this dance? Kanta na
Tina,
kayo.
Tina, thank
Malapit na
you
po kami
so
kumanta.
Would you ever vlog daw?
Yeah, of course.
Kuya Jimbo, you know Kuya Jimbo?
Who's Kuya Jimbo?
Cousin.
Ay, hello, Insan! Kuya Jimbo! Kumusta ka na, Kuya Jimbo?
What's up?
Is he actually our cousin?
Yeah.
Oh, my cousin? My cousin?
Oo, cousin.
Ah! Dami kong kakasin! Woo!
Cousin yan.
Hello, Laguna! I love your, buko pie in Laguna! Peng Harana!
Who's your favorite cousin daw?
Oh, I have so many, but... You're not watching, but obviously I'm in.
You gotta pick inside.
No! Okay,
The
alright,
Lord, Inang the Lord, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Almost 300.
Hello!
Panoodis po, hi Canada. Watching from
Guys,
Canada.
malapit na kami kumanta!
Oh, thank you so much.
Shout out naman po. Hello, Giselle Salvador, and I am Menes.
Boy, I'm from Agunay, Bulacan din daw. Sa. Hey,
Hello!
what's up? For request way back into love. So what are we gonna see now? 3B, what's up 3P? Pa-shoutout to
Julian
San
Castro,
Julian.
Fangirl Vanessa.
Oh my God. User Johan. Oh, 300. Grabe.
Well, we are at 300. We have to sing now.
Okay, we're gonna sing.
Ano po, kakantahin namin. Mag-song request na po kayo.
Ano pa kantayin natin?
Do you know the song, Can I Have This Dance?
High School Musical na lang, Insan.
Eh, yun na nga, High School Musical. That is High School Musical.
Can I have this dance?
Oo.
Ano yun?
Can I have this dance?
Yung ano lang, yung the one
Ah,
that I'm familiar with.
Alright, start of something new or breaking free?
Start of something. Parang easy.
Hindi, that's hard song, Insan.
Really?
Kaya, Peng Harana.
The one that we, sang sa may party.
Oo. Kakantahin po namin ang kanta po namin sa vlog. Salamat po sa
Yeah.
mistletoe. It's the most beautiful
Do you
time.
wanna sing that
Wag na to. Did you?
Okay, do it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna
Thank you
sing.
so
We're
much,
gonna
Inang
sing
Dolor.
a Filipino
Dolor,
song.
yeah.
Filipino song, alam mo? Hanggang ngayon.
Sing the one that
ikaw
you were
pa
singing
rin.
kanina.
Ano?
Sisikat din Isa, sing it.
Sorry.
Go.
Hindi ka kapag Tagalog. Ano?
Yun na lang, Insan.
Kay Morissette. Kay Morissette, I know that song, pero hindi lahat ha kasi
Which
mataas.
one?
Akin ka na lang.
Ay, wow.
Pero hindi lahat kasi magigising yung mga kapitbahay ko.
Ayan, push daw. Akin ka na lang.
Okay.
Guys, harana naman. Harana.
Harana at
Rodica,
kakantahin ko.
thank you so much, Kia. Vio.